Come, Holy Spirit, come, and from thy celestial home shed a ray of light divine. Come, Father of the poor, come, source of all store. Come within our bosom shine. Love comforters the best, not our soul's most welcome guest. Sweet refreshments we below, in our level rest most sweet, grateful coolness in the heat, solace in the midst of woe. O most blessed light divine, shine within these souls of thine, and most will feel where thou art not, none hast not nothing good in deed or thought, nothing free from taste of evil. Heal our wounds, our strength renew, all our dryness pour thy dew. Wash the stains of guilt away, bend the stubborn heart and will, melt the frozen wound, the chill, guide the steps that go astray. On the faithful who adore and confess thee evermore, in thyself forgive and give them virtue's sure reward, give them thy salvation, Lord, give them joys that never end.